You don't need a degree in computer science or thousands of dollars to automate your trades. While big Wall Street firms spend millions building algorithmic software, regular retail traders are left staring at charts for hours, battling emotions and missing key market moves. But the game has changed. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to build a fully functional automated trading bot using ChatGPT with absolutely zero coding required. And yes, it's 100% free. Step 1 is creating the logic. A trading bot is only as smart as the strategy you give it. Instead of guessing, we are going to use a time-tested strategy, the MASCD and exponential moving average crossover. But here is the secret: you can't just ask ChatGPT to make a trading bot. You need a specific prompt. I asked ChatGPT to act as an expert financial programmer and write a flawless PineScript strategy for TradingView. Within seconds, the AI generated a complete, error-free script ready to deploy. 2 is testing and implementation. We take this AI-generated code, open TradingView, and paste it directly into the Pine editor. Instantly, the strategy appears on our chart, showing every historical buy and sell signal. By running a quick backtest over the last 2 years of data, we can see if this AI strategy is actually profitable before risking a single dollar.
Once the strategy is verified, we use a free webhook connector to link TradingView straight to our crypto or stock exchange. Now, whenever the AI detects a signal, it automatically places the trade for us even while we are asleep.
Here is a warning that most YouTubers won't tell you. A bot without risk management is just a faster way to lose your money. That's why we explicitly programmed the AI to include a strict 1% maximum risk per trade and a hard stop loss. This ensures that even if the market crashes unexpectedly, our portfolio remains completely safe. Automation isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about buying back your time and trading with pure discipline.
To make things easy for you, I put the exact ChatGPT prompt and the PineScript code down in the description below, completely free. Copy it, test it, and let me know your results. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI trading breakthroughs. See you in the next video.